Hey, what's up? It's Andrew Undham from the Sure Group. Come check out our brand new renovation at 1730 Stengel Avenue in Dundalk. If you're interested in a brand new renovation with all new HVAC, electric, plumbing, roof, brand new kitchen, flooring, paint, recessed lights, tons of storage with 2 garages, first floor owner's suite complete with 2 family rooms, and a drop-dead gorgeous living space, contact me, Andrew Undham, or anyone at the Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway, and we'll show you more inside.